Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a few questions about the truck I'm hauling this Cirrus 620 on, so I wanted to give you a little bit of information. Just a little bit, real quick video here, give some people some ideas. All right, let's get to it. First off, you can see that. That spring is a 2,500 pound spring from General Springs out of Kansas City, Missouri. So it's I have an 8,800 pound Cherokee tag along. I put that on there just for when I was towing that around. And I towed it from Illinois all the way into the Upper Peninsula, all the way up to Marquette, and so on. Okay, now see, it ain't really squatting much. These tires are Maxxis, so they're Maxxis Razr ATs. These are 37, 1250, 20 LTs, mud, snow. So these right here are F-rated, so really thick ply. You know, they don't, you know, these are really tough tires, and they are really good in the snow, really good in the snow. And then I had, yeah, the truck's dirty. It's been snowing, there's salt on the ground. So I had some heavy duty struts put on. I have a Fabtech suspension lift. Hopefully you can see that. Put into it. There you go. Okay, now something else I did is I had a long block shipped in from Precision Engines out of New Jersey, rebuilt 5.4, really strong running engine. I put that in about 3 years ago. Things a hoss. So what I'm going to do next is I'm thinking about putting 411 gears in it. It's got 350 something. I don't remember what it is, 350 something. So I'm thinking about putting some 411s in there, you know, just to make it a little easier on my transmission. But this camper is 1,900 pounds. Now the payload capacity on this F150 stock was 1,400 pounds, because it's a Lariat, so it's full of, you know, it's got all these options. All those options take away from your payload. So that's why I had to put those heavy duty springs on it so I could tow that other camper. It doesn't squat at all when I put this on there. This camper here, let me show you, it says right here, this says 1,769 pounds, right? Now, the actual receipt the lady got when she bought this camper says it's 1,900 pounds. They did add an AC, and they added the awning. Now, some of these campers are around 1,400 pounds without the AC. I don't know exactly what all the difference is on it, but man, I mean, I'm in Illinois, windy. I mean, you talk about wind. We got wind here in Illinois. I have no problem doing 70, going down 74. And with the wind blowing, you know, 20, 30 mile an hour gusts. Not an issue whatsoever. This truck's a beast. I call it Bjorn. I love this truck. One day I do plan on upgrading, but not for a while. Not for a long while. Okay, well, I hope that helped. Like I said, I didn't have a lot, but I had a few people asking me, and I really just wanted to discuss, you know, what this truck was all about. So this camper is advertised that it's built for a half ton. But even though it's been advertised as being built for a half ton, you're still responsible for knowing what your payload is. If you'll open up your truck door and look inside on the door frame, it tells you what your payload is. This one is like $13.98, I believe. Let me just do that real quick so I can show you where it's at. And that way you'll know. And so, hold on. Let's try it like this. 1328. So 1,328 pounds. And you know, that's counting your occupants too. So definitely why I went ahead and put the springs and stuff on there, because with the camper, it did squat with the big camper on it. Don't now, it's good to go. I can take this and hook my tag on here, my new camp tag, and you know, take them both camping. There you go. All right, let's get lost.